I will tell the truth to everyone that my name is not Jinu. I'm a jinn. Since 500 years I was confined inside a lamp. My master has freed me.
Mom, keep eating. I'll be back.
Listen, you can't leave the food in. Aladdin!
I'm a jinn. Master. Where is my master? Where is he? My master.
Jinu, wait.
Yes.
What happened? Is your stomach upset or what?
No, my stomach is fine, but something bad has happened. Now I'm going to fix everything. I will tell everyone that I'm a jinn and you are my master. I was confined to a lamp for 500 years and I don't have legs. I can perform magic.
Princess? Yasmin, are you all right?
Yes, Dad. I am absolutely fine.
Wonderful.
What are you saying, my lord? We were knocking your room's door since a long time. And you did not come out of the room since yesterday. What is going on?
Mom, I was in a deep slumber, Mom.
She was sleeping.
Yasmin? Why are your hands covered in dirt?
I was sparring yesterday evening, so hence my hands are covered in dirt. I was also exhausted, so I fell asleep immediately after sparring.
Wonderful.
Feminine actions suit girls. Swords don't suit them.
Master, I'm a jinn. I will only speak the truth and I will not lie at all.
Jinu, you know that you can't behave like this, right? You can't reveal the truth to anyone.
I know, Master, but I can't help it. I feel like screaming and telling the truth to everyone. Listen, everyone. I'm a jinn. Master, I can't stop speaking the truth.
Jinu, no. You know that my mom is going to be heartbroken if she learns the truth. Then please be quiet. Jinu, I'm your master. I command you. You shouldn't reveal the truth to anyone. Huh? What? What is it? Hey, stop covering your mouth. What is it? What happened? What are you trying to say? Hey, no.
Please forgive me, Master. Please forgive me. But what should I do? I can't control myself. I feel like telling the truth to everyone that you are my master and I'm a jinn.
No, Jinu, you can't.
I'm not Jinu.
So today, I am going to punish Princess Yasmin. The celebrations of conquest is around the corner. So I have decided that all the arrangements and the security will be Yasmin's responsibility.
Hey, right hand, please stop playing with my left hand. Master, please stop me. Please.
With what?
Or else, I will tell the truth to everyone that I'm a jinn. This means my brother Aladdin did not drink the truth serum. Sheikh Genie drank it instead. I have to tell my parents about this.
Be quiet.
Aladdin! Hey, what is going on here? Why are you covering his mouth? Tell me.
Well, Mom, we were playing a game.
But why have you covered his mouth? If you're playing a game, you cannot treat him like a criminal.
Mom.
Come on, he is not a criminal.
Mom, you never know. The criminals might be helpless. And anyway, you always say that we should never hate people, right?
Yes, I do say that, but criminals are an exception. And don't dare you speak in favor of the criminals, okay?
Mother, I'm a jinn. I was confined inside a lamp for 500 years. He freed me from that lamp. He is my master. Oh my goodness! What is this madness?
You are a jinn?
Yes, mother.
You were locked up in a lamp
Yes, mother.
for 500 years.
Yes, mother.
What do you think? I'm a fool. You cannot fool me because you look innocent, okay?
Mad?
Why are you laughing? Enough of your jokes. I'm going. I have to go to
Yes,
the
Mom,
market.
please go. Mom, I mean to say, go quickly and return soon.
But I'm speaking the truth. I'm a jinn and I was in a lamp. I'm speaking the truth.
I swear on the gold coins. I wonder whether Gulbadan managed to give the truth serum to Aladdin or not. Hey, good for nothing fellow! Will you give me food or should I starve?
I'm coming, dear. Dear, here you got delicious food cooked by me.
This plate looks very shiny.
Obviously, it will shine because the stray dog has licked it. Hey, dear, why did you spit the food? I cleaned the vegetables with a lot of difficulty. I think the effect of the truth serum hasn't worn off yet. I'm still speaking the truth.
I swear upon the gold coins. This truth serum is wonderful. Nobody can stop me from becoming a widow today.
No.
Mom, disaster has
Hey,
happened.
shut up! Today I won't spare him. Come on, hey, move! I will not spare him today. I don't.
Mom,
Hey,
listen to me.
hey,
Please hear me out. Please hear me out,
Hey, I
Mom.
don't want to
Please.
listen.
Something went terribly wrong.
Hey, what has happened?
What happened?
What happened?
Hey!
Mom, Aladdin did not drink the truth serum.
Really? Then I will not spare him today.
But Genie drank it instead.
What?
See, I became a scapegoat.
Hey! I swear upon the gold coins. My beautiful son has given me a great news. Sheikh Genie is a very wealthy man. I will surely extract information about his wealth because he has consumed the truth serum now.
Hey, you're running a fever. You're burning up.
Oh my goodness! What is this madness?
Let's
go.
Greetings.
There is nobody at home. Please leave from here. Get out of here.
Why do you seem so distressed today? Come on, let us sit and talk peacefully.
I don't want to talk to you. You are a liar. You are a cunning woman and a thief.
Wow, sir, you said such nice things. What you said is the truth.
Sir, you are very funny. Come on, tell us about your wealth and treasury.
Well, what about money? It comes and goes. I have everything, but I have nothing.
And I don't understand what you said.
If I want, I can rule this world, but my needs are very little.
Oh, but I have a lot. I mean to say that you are really so modest.
Father,
Yes?
do you want to have a sesame lettuce? Yes. I will be right back. Don't remove this handkerchief out of your mouth, or else mom will oust you from the house.
Yes, thank you. This ice will help reduce the genie's fever and the pineapple will soothe his stomach. Lord, please help me out.
There is a lamp in my brother's bag. This is so amazing.
Tell me, please tell me, how are you connected to Aladdin? Come on, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me.
I don't have any connection with him. He had come to.
Hey, where did this come from? Hey, leave this and you tell me. Hey, stop eating and tell me.
Oh, mother! Oh, mother! Mother!
Oh, my dear.
Gino, how did they come inside the house?
I don't know, master. They just barged into the house.
Here you go with the lamp. Go and hide this in your pocket. No one should find this.
Oh, mother! Oh, mother!
Cold?
Mother, it is very cold.
Hey, wait a minute. Just wait. Hey, wait. What is this? Ice. Aladdin, I will not spare you today.
Master, please stop her. I'm helpless. We'll get into trouble.
I know it very well, Aladdin. It is you who did all this. I was talking to Sheikh for a while and you seem to be fuming. Move. It is my wish. I can talk to him as much as I wish to. You are no one to stop me. I hope you remember all my favors. Ungrateful person. Tell me, Sheikh, tell me. Tell me.
Mother, your son is gone. Your gym is gone. This shake has tired me. Water. Mother, I want to tell the truth.
Truth? Gulu?
I want to tell the truth. I can't stop myself.
Truth? What did you drink, you idiot?
I want to tell the truth.
No.
I want to tell the truth to brother, Aladdin, brother. My brother, on mom saying I had mixed the truth serum into the sharbat so that we get to know about your work and earnings, brother. And Sheikh drank that sharbat. What do I do? Where do I go?
Hey, follow them quickly.
My brother.
You may exchange your old lamp.
and get a new lamp.
You may exchange your old lamp.
And get a new lamp.
Oh, Badal, we shouldn't miss on a single lamp. If brother-in-law doesn't get his magic lamp, he won't spare either of us.
You both have 2 days. If I don't get my magical lamp, I will burn everything down.
I'm already tired. I can't walk further. Neither I will lie, nor I will let anyone else lie. I won't spare the liars today.
There are no pockets in the dhoti or shroud. You don't get better apples anyway. They are Kandhari apples. They are red and fresh. Come on, take them. Buy them and take them home. Your wife will be very glad. Take them,
Your
take
wife
them.
won't
Red
be glad,
apples.
but she will slap you. He has used red color on the rotten apples, and the red color box is kept down.
No, he's lying.
Hey, beat
They are
him
very
up.
fresh.
Beat him up. Beat him up.
Beat him up. They are very fresh.
Beat him up. Beat him up.
Beat him up. Ma'am, please help me. Please help me.
Liar! His leg is not broken. Huh?
He's not lame.
Look,
not
beat
lame.
him up.
He's
Beat
not
him,
a
beat him.
lame.
Oh my god, Jinu has escaped with the lamp. He will tell the truth to everyone if I don't stop him. And everything will be ruined if someone wrong gets the lamp. Jinu! Oh my god, what happened, sir? Sir, did you see my friend Jinu?
Yes, I saw him. In fact, your friend saw me too. It's all because of you and your friend. I will not spare you. Go away from here. Get lost.
I will speak only the truth and nothing else at all.
You hefty fellow! How dare you bump into us?
No, Bijli, calm down. Just calm down.
What?
We have to find the lamp. We don't have time. Let go of him.
Badal, I am quiet because of you, or else I would deal with him right here.
Sir, please don't be upset. See, my master says that losing your temper is not good for health.
Who are you to preach us? Huh?
I think I should tell them who I am. No, let it be. We don't want to waste time. Okay, you need not. I'll take your leave. Wait. You made us fall down. Yes. What if we would have got hurt? Now, you will have to help us. Help? Actually, we offer a new lamp in return of old one. So you have to tell us who all have old lamps here.
Yes!
Master has prohibited me from telling anything about the lamp. I have an old lamp, but I can't give it to you. You have an old lamp? Just show us your old lamp.
Come on,
please.
show us. Come on, show us.
I think they won't let go of me so easily. I'll have to show them the lamp.
That's such an old and ugly lamp. Give us this lamp and take a new one in return. We will supply you free oil for 1 year.
No. Listen, let go of me. I can't give you the lamp. For God's sake, please give us the lamp. How do we explain you? There is an old man who's about to die very soon. Before he dies, he wants to see the lamp that was given by his mother, which he lost long ago. It was stolen. Mother? No. Listen, I'm so sorry. You both look quite noble, but I can't give you this lamp. But we can do this. All three of us can go together and show the lamp to that man. No. No one apart from the two of us are allowed to go to him.
believe us. We will surely give you back your lamp. He lives very close by. The 3rd street across this alley under the 4th tree. He lives right there. That's it. Don't you believe us?
Huh? You meet some angels at some point of time.
The angels sent by the Lord.
The angels
yes.
sent by God. An angel sent by the God. Okay, I am ready to give you this lamp. But you both have to come back soon. I will be waiting for you right here.
We will be back in a jiffy.